So many of these people are about to get out.
Reveal shape number 1. Oh! Reveal the second symbol. Look at how hyped they're getting. If I was you, I'd be getting pretty nervous. Reveal it! Chris, go for it.
I know umbrella going home. That's all I got.
We got the circle. Thank God we didn't get the umbrella.
You look pretty nervous over here. Even though you got the star, you're the main character. So you have plot armor, you're fine. Yeah. Start the timer. The challenge is underway. You just hear them all scraping.